Hello, creepy man.
I have a package for you, ma'am.
Show me your package, baby. Yep, it cuts off right at the right spot. Oh my God, could you see yourself? Could you see yourself? Oh, here, you got your phone open?
So where do I talk? What? There's a little bit of a delay.
Okay, is our dog still in the house? The only advantage to having it lower is it would pick up whatever's on the ground, maybe. It's nice it gave me a little chime when it called me. I think this would get a good